Yo, what's up guys? Today I have an interesting video for you. So Seenda, which is a keyboard and mouse company, they make all these gaming type of products, has sent me this Seenda 60% mechanical keyboard to me. And today I'm just gonna be reviewing this keyboard. So right out of the box, you could just tell that it's a very nice color. It comes with PBT put-in keycaps, and the stabilizers on the spacebar are really nice. It sounds beautiful. And overall, it's just a really nice and easy keyboard to press. Looking at the keyboard from the side, it has a curved ergonomic shape, so that when you're typing on the keyboard, it doesn't you don't have to stretch too far to press keys. And overall, I feel like these stabilizers are a little bit shaky, but then I'm pretty sure you should be able to fix that with your own keyboard, stuff like that. But for a $60 keyboard, I would say that this is a really well-rounded keyboard, because the keys just sound really good, you know. So yeah, I'm just gonna be going over the small features of the keyboard, and then I'm just gonna go right into a bedwars game, because I don't want to take too long if you guys are here for the content, but I do need to get through why this keyboard is so nice in my opinion. Okay, so the first thing that's really nice about this keyboard is that it's a put-in keycap keyboard. So from the side, it just looks really beautiful, and I just really love the coloring of it. There's also different types of modes. So if you just press the FN bar and then press K, it switches the mode into these. And honestly, I really like this one. It's just nice and calm. And there's red, there's this one, and I feel this one's does the rows, and then you could do this, and it kind of just does every single random one. And this one's the wavy row thing, and this one just lights everything up. Such a beautiful keyboard, so rainbow. So rainbow. And yeah, so these are just the different light modes that I'm showing you. And yeah, so I really like this one. I think I'm just gonna keep this one for the video. And yeah, so those are the lighting modes for the Seenda keyboard. Another thing that was really simple was that it actually uses a Type-C cable. So you could just literally have the cable over here and move it to a different computer if you don't want to use the keyboard on the PC right now. I'm playing OS, not playing Minecraft, guys. I'm an OS kid now. Oh gosh. And it's just really easy to plug in, if I could find the hole, and boom. It just plugs in like that, ready to use. You don't need any type of software, it just is as it is.